Welcome viewers and lovers of mathematics. I remain tutor Cletus Okole. In today's mathematics class, it is an exponential equation involving logarithms. Here we are given to solve if x raised to power log x divided by 1000 is equal to x raised to power 2. Then, to find the value of x. Watch till the end and subscribe to the channel. Alright, solution given to solve is x raised to x log x divided by 1000 is equal to x raised to power 2. That is what we are given to solve. The first step to take is a cross multiplication. That means 1 multiplied by x to the power of log x will give us x raised to power log x equal to 1000 multiplied by this will give us 1000, then x raised to power 2. That's the first step. The next thing to do is to take logarithm to both sides. That becomes the logarithm of x raised to power log x is equal to the logarithm of 1000 x raised to power 2. But by law of logarithms, we have that log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Also, log A x raised to power B is equal to B log x. This is power function law in logarithms and this is product law in logarithms. I will apply it to both sides of the equation. From the left hand side, I will apply the power law, which is this, meaning that log x will come to the front. Moving to the front like this becomes log x multiplied by log x equal to this place. I will apply by the right hand side the product law, and that becomes log 1000 plus the log of x raised to power 2. This is where we are now. Okay, moving forward, what next? Applying here, I will have the log of x raised to power 2, hence log x multiplied log x. And from here, log 1000, but log 1000, everything is in base 10, please. Here is base 10, base 10, base 10, natural base. So it's the same thing as equal to x. So that 10 raised to power x is equal to 1000. Therefore, 10 raised to power x is equal to 10 raised to power 3, making x equal to 3. So, I can now say this is equal to log 1000 base 10. Log 1000 base 10 will now be equal to 3. 3 plus, then log x raised to power 2, which is the same thing as 2 log x. Very correct. What have I done? I applied log x raised to power b. B moving to the front. So here, log x raised to power 2 moving to the front becomes 2 log x. Alright, from here, if we bring it down, let y equal to log x. Okay, what does it mean? That anywhere I see log x base 10, it is going to be equal to letter y. From this bracket, I have y raised to power 2 is equal to 3 plus 2, then multiplied by y. I have done substitution, replacing the value of log x to base 10 to y. Here I have log x base 10, I replace it with y. Here I have log x base 10, I replace it with y, then raised to power 2. Now, next is x y raised to power 2, moving this to the left becomes minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. It has become a quadratic equation. So we go by any of the methods of quadratic equation. But let us go by factorization method because it is easier. Alright, two numbers will multiply to get minus 3, and when we add them, we get minus 2. Can be minus 3 and 1. So using it to replace the middle term becomes y squared minus 3y plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorizing it, from the first bracket what is common is y, then leaving me with y minus 3, and from the second bracket plus 1 is common, to leave me with y minus 3, all equal to 0. Very correct. Here now I can get that y plus 1 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, good. Moving further, from here the first bracket is equal to 0 and the second bracket also is equal to 0, meaning that I can have y plus 1 equal to 0, imply that y is equal to negative 1. And from the second bracket, y minus 3 is equal to 0, implies that y is equal to 3. So I have gotten two values of y. But remember, from here we say let y be equal to log x base 10. Therefore I can write log x base 10 equal to y. So replacing y with minus 1, I will have log x base 10 is equal to negative 1. So solving from here, you can see that 10 raised to the power negative 1, 10 raised to the power negative 1 is equal to x, meaning that x here is equal to 1 all over 10. Also, we got it the second time that y is equal to 3, meaning that log x base 10 also is equal to 3. 10 raised to the power 3, 10 raised to the power 3 is equal to x, implying that x is equal to 1000. In conclusion, the values of x are 1 over 10 and 1000. These are the values of x. Thank you, dear friends, for watching till the end. Do remember to subscribe to my channel and share the video.